BIDMAS or BODMAS. Each letter in BIDMAS or BODMAS stands for any operations used to solve a number problem with. You will already know 4 of these operations found in the DMAS part of BIDMAS: division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. The order of operations is the order you work out the parts of a problem that has a mix of operations, such as multiplication, division and addition. By following the order of BIDMAS, you will get a correct answer. By ignoring the order, you will likely be incorrect. BIDMAS stands for brackets, indices, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. BODMAS means the same as BIDMAS, except that indices is replaced by orders, which also means the same thing. Brackets refer to any part of the equation that is in brackets. These should always be completed first. 3 times 4 plus 5 equals, so we would do the 4 plus 5 to get 9 first, and then multiply 3 by 9. Indices simply means the power of, for example, 3 to the power of 2 or 5 to the power of 3, which means 3 to the power of 2 is 3 times 3, which equals 9. 5 to the power of 3 is 5 times 5 times 5. So we multiply 5 times 5 to get 25, and then multiply 25 by 5 to get 125. So, in a sum like 130 multiplied by 4, take away 5 to the power of 3, you would solve 5 to the power of 3 first. Division and multiplication. Starting from the left, work these out in the order that they appear in the equation. If multiplication appears first, you should complete this before division. Addition and subtraction. Also start from the left and work these out in the order that they appear in the equation. If subtraction appears before addition, you should complete this first. Write BIDMAS in the margin of your paper and use it as your checklist to help you solve multi-step problems in the correct order. Example: 3 times 5 plus 2 subtract 2 times 2 plus 3 equals 1. Add the numbers in the brackets first to get to the next stage of the problem, working from left to right. Now we have 3 times 7 subtract 2 times 5 equals 2. Now work with the multiplication to get the following. 21 subtract 10 equals 3. Finally, work with the remaining subtraction to get your answer. 21 take away 10 equals 11. BIDMAS, BODMAS, missing numbers. With most problems with missing numbers, you 1. Look at the clues of the numbers you already have and which orders of operation the problem contains. Does it have multiplication, division, addition or subtraction? Especially look for the difference between the answer and the numbers you already have. The answer will give you a clue to how the numbers on the other side of the equal sign must total the answer. Example: 5 times 3 plus something equals 29. The difference between 15 and the answer 29 is 14. 14 is the missing number. 2. Remember that a problem must have the same answer on both sides of the equal sign. So, see if one sign gives you an important clue about the other. Example: 48 equals 2 times 12 plus 6 times something. 48 equals 24 plus 6 times something. The difference between 24 and 48 is 24. What do you multiply 6 by to get 24? 6 times 4 equals 24. Often we can reverse the problem by using the opposite sign. Division instead of multiplication, or subtraction instead of addition. Example: 32 equals 128 divided by... Well, what's 32 times something to equal 128? 32 times 4 equals 128. So, 32 equals 128 divided by 4. Work out all the parts of the problem that you can first. This may reveal the most likely answer for the part missing. Example: 15 times 3 divided by 9 equals 25 times something divided by 30. 15 times 3 equals 45. 45 divided by 9 equals 5. Now, the equation looks like this so far. 5 equals 25 times something divided by 30. We need to get this right side to equal 5, like on the left side. Multiply the answer on one side by the division on the other. 5 times 3 equals 150. 150 divided by 25 equals 6. 6 is the answer. 25 times 6 equals 150, which we divide by 30 to get 5 on the right side.